Subscribe, make engineering knowledge junction, and press the bell icon to learn all the CAD/CAM automation tutorials and many more design analysis tutorials in easiest way. Welcome friends, you are watching Mac Engineering Knowledge Junction. Today we are going to learn how to draw toolpath for this milling problem in MASTERCAM 2018 and how to define the toolpath for this profile. So let's start. First of all, open MASTERCAM 2018. You will get this interface. Then go to profile and click on configuration. Then go to current and then select in this box matrix and then click OK. This is done for getting the dimension in metric system because our all dimensions are given in mm. So now for drawing we have to go to wireframe because all the drawing tools are available here in wireframe. Now carefully observe the profile. So first of all I am going to draw a square rectangle of 140 by 100 mm. Okay, so for drawing a rectangle, click on rectangle and start from here and release here. Now go to this and give width as 140 and press enter, and height as 100 and then press enter. Now click OK. Now you will have to draw this rectangle. For this you will have to give the coordinate of this point, and after carefully observing you will find that the coordinate of this point is 20, 10. So define a point. For this you will have to click on point position, then type 20, 10 on keyboard and then press enter. Now click OK. Now you can clearly see that this rectangle is 70 by 40. So again click on rectangle and start from this and release here and go here and give the width at 70 and the height as 40 and then press enter. Now click OK. Now we have to draw this 3 circle. Okay, so I am going to draw only one circle and after that I will translate the other two. So for this I will have to give the center coordinate of this circle. The coordinate of the center of this circle will be 140 minus 30, that is 1010, and in y-axis it will be 40, means 110, 40. So we will have to define another point. So click on point position and then type 110, 40 and then press enter. Okay, now click OK. Now we will have to draw the circle, this circle, and the radius of this circle is 10 mm. Okay, 5 mm. So click on circle center point and take this point as center and draw a circle and release here and go here and give the radius as 5 and then press enter. Now click OK. Now we need 2 more circle. So for this I am going to transform option and then I am going to click on translate. So now we have to translate this circle. So select this circle and click on int selection, and now we have to translate this circle in y direction by 25 mm. You can clearly see that the distance between the center is 25. Again the distance between the center is 25. Okay, so we have given the y value as 25. Now click OK. Now again select this circle and go to and click on translate and give the value of y as 25 and then press OK. So we have drawn all the 3 circles. Now there is no need for this circle's center coordinate, so select this and press enter, delete option. Now there is no need for this point, so select this point and then press delete on the keyboard. Now we have to draw this half semicircle and this half semicircle. For this I am going to again I am going to create a 2 point, that is the coordinate of this circle and the coordinate of this circle. After observing you will find that the coordinate of this circle is 20, 20, 100, and after that the coordinate of this center of this circle is 40 plus 20, that is 60 in x-axis, and in y-axis it will be 100. So again define 2 point. For this we will have to go to wireframe, click on point position and now type 20, comma 100 and then press enter and click OK. Again click on point position. Okay, now again type 60 comma 100 and then press enter. Now click OK. Now you will have to draw two circle of radius 20 mm at this defined point position. Okay, so again click on circle center point, draw circle of radius 20, go here and give the radius 20 and press enter. And now again click on plus sign and go here and draw another circle and go here and give the radius as 20 and then press enter. Now click OK. So we have drawn the two required circle. Now there is no need for this portion and this portion. For this I am going to click on trim brake extended and now click select trim two quantities and select the entities that you have to keep. So I have to keep this and this, so I have selected this. Now I have to keep this and this, so select this and this. Now select this and this. Okay, so and now click OK. Now there is no need for this point, so select this and press delete button on keyboard, select this and press delete button on keyboard. Now carefully observe the drawing. There is a chamfer of 25 because subtracting 115 from 140 you will get 25. Okay, so and there is also a chamfer at each corner of this small rectangle. So first of all I am going to chamfer this small rectangle, so click on chamfer entities. Now there is already 5 mm distance is given and the angle is 45, so click here and here to chamfer this. Now click here and here to chamfer this corner, click here and here to chamfer at this corner, and click here and here to chamfer at this corner. Now we are going to chamfer this corner, so click here and here and now go to this and distance equal to 25 as given in the question and now click OK. So we have drawn our figure as required. Now the color of these two circles is different. For this you will have to right click the mouse button at this circle and now go to clear colors and click here, so you will get all the three circles in same color. Now right click the mouse button and go to isometric view. Okay, and adjust the figure according to your screen. Now you have to extrude this. For this you will have to click on solids. Now click on extrude. Okay, now select all the profile. First of all select outer profile, then this and all the three circles. Now click OK and reverse the direction and give the distance as 25 as 15 as given in the question. Okay, and now click OK. So we have extruded our profile. Now this is milling problem, so we will have to click on mill machine and then go to mill and then click on default. Okay, now we have to set up the stock for this profile, so click on this positive sign and then click on stock setup and now click on all solids. It will automatically take the exact shape and size stock for this profile. Now I am going to increase 1 mm in Z, so 16 and 2 mm in X, that is 142, and 2 mm in Y, that is 122. Now click OK. So this red cuboid is the stock for this profile, for which we are going to draw the tool path. After drawing tool path we will going to get this object out of this cuboid. So first of all I am going to perform facing operation, so click on face. Now click on this chain and tick here at wall and select this. Okay, and now click OK. Now you click on tool and then go to select library. Now click on filter, so there is only one face milling selector, so click OK and now select any one of the tool, so I'm going to select this tool and now click OK. Now go to cut parameters and go here and select zigzag and always give the value here as 0, so always remember that while facing there should be 0 value. Okay, Now go to depth of cut and click on this and give the max rough as 4 and finish rough as 1 of 0.25 mm. Okay, now go to linking parameters. Do not change anything in the above 3 box, only give here -1 since we have to remove -1 mm material. Now click OK. So this is the tool path for facing operation. Now we have to perform this socket or this pocket. Okay, for this you will have to select the pocket operation. Now again click on chain and select this profile and then click OK. Now click on tool and click on select library tool. Again click on filter. Now only one tool is selected and this is always selected for pocketing operation. Okay, now click OK and select any one tool. So I'm going to select this 5 mm diameter tool. Now click OK. Now go to cut parameters and always give the value 0 0 in case of pocketing operation here. Okay, now go to roughing and select the constant overlap. Okay, and click on entry motion. Do not change anything, keep it is as it is. Now click on finishing. So leave it as it by default. Now go to depth of cut and tick here and give the value here as 4 and here as 1 of 0.25 mm. Finish step. Okay, now click on breakthrough and tick here since the pocket is throughout. So I'm going to click on breakthrough and I'm going to take 5 mm tool below the profile. Okay, now click on linking parameters and do not change anything above 3 boxes, only give the here -20 as depth and click OK. So this is the tool path for pocketing operation. Now again click on these parameters and carefully click on tool and double click on this tool and check whether the cutting length is suitable or not. Here the cutting length is only 8 and the depth is 15. So click here and give here the value as 20 and click on next and then click on finish. Now click OK. So this is done for not violating the tool to profile any problem. Okay, now we will have to perform another so we will have to perform this drill. So click here and select drilling option and select the center of these 3 holes in any order. Okay, so I have selected this. Sorry, I have to cancel this and again I have to select. So click on drill, select this center, select this center and select this center. Now click OK. Now click on tool and go to select library tool and click on filter. In case of drilling, in this box always select equal and the here give the value of hole diameter, that is the diameter of the hole is 10 mm. So, okay, and the drill is always selected and the tool always selected is drill. Now click OK and select one of the tool from here and click OK. Now again double click on this tool and check whether the cutting length is suitable or not. So there the cutting length is always here is 49, so it is suitable for our hole. Okay, so click on next and then click on finish. Now click on stock and click here and go to cut parameters, click OK. Do not change anything. Go to linking parameters and give the depth as -20 and then press enter. Now click OK. So this is the tool path for drilling operation. Now we have to draw the last tool path, that is contour operation. So click on contour, then click on chain and then click here and select the chain. Now click OK and then click on tool, go to select library tool, click on filter and then always select this tool for contour operation. Now click OK and select this select 10 mm diameter tool and now click OK. Go to cut parameters, do not change anything. Go to depth of cut and tick here and give the value here as 4 max rough step, 1 finish cut of 0.25. okay, now do not change anything in lead out, click on breakthrough and tick here and give the value breakthrough amount as 5 mm. Okay, do not change anything in multipass and tabs. Direct go to linking parameter and give the value of depth, that is -20, and now click OK. So you can clearly see that this is the tool path for contour operation. Now we have to combine all the operation in a sequence, in a particular sequence. For this you will have to click on tool path group 1 and then click on regenerate all selected operations. So it will regenerate all the tool path again, and now click on verify selected operation for seeing the animation of the operation. Okay, so you will get another window or another interface in which we are going to see the animation of the animation of the actual actual tool path generation and the tool path. Okay, now again click on verify here and click on color loop to provide different color to the different operation. So now click on play button. So first of all, this is facing operation is going on. Okay, after that the pocketing operation is going on. You can slow or fast your speed by this arrow. Okay, so I am going to fast this operation so that our video will be shortened. Okay, so the pocketing operation is going on and it is totally good. Okay, and the last operation, that is contour operation, is going on and it also good. There is no problem. You can clearly see that there is an extra cut in this portion. So close this window and go to pocketing operation and then click on double click on parameters. Now click on tool and then double click on this tool. Okay, and change the cutting length to 25. Okay, and now click next and then click finish and now click OK. Now again combine all the operations in sequential manner. So click on toolpath group 1 and now click on verify all selected operation. Okay, and now it will ask to regenerate unlocked operation and continue. So click OK. Now we are going to get another window. Okay, and now click on play button. I'm going to fasten this step. So facing operation is going on. Now the pocketing operation is going on. I'm going to slow a bit for actual visualization. So facing operation is going on. Now we are going to complete this. So you can clearly see that there is no any problem in this pocketing. Okay, it is accurate. Now we have done the drilling operation. Now the last operation, that is counting operation, is going on. So the contour operation is going to completed. Thus our profile is cut from the given stock. So thank you for watching. Please like and share this video as much as you can and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.